I'm Ryan Higgins. I am a partner in the law firm of McDermott Will Emery, and I reside within the healthcare group. I've been with McDermott since 2011, and within the healthcare group, I focus primarily on privacy matters, but then also healthcare M&A. When we're talking about healthcare law, healthcare isn't a single body of law. It's an amalgamation of fraud and abuse laws, privacy laws, FTC. And so the biggest challenge as a healthcare lawyer, particularly on the transactional side, is when you're quarterbacking a deal, for example, you have to be able to issue spot across all these various categories of laws and then recruit your colleagues who have the expertise in those areas. So number one, having an awareness of the substantive law in all those areas is obviously important, but then also keeping abreast of how those areas of law are changing. The tools that help me best in my practice are sources that aggregate for me recent changes in law or current events. Bloomberg BNA is a great tool that comes to my mailbox once or twice a day. I can, in 5 minutes, get a quick download of what's going on that day, any recent changes. And since it covers the whole scope of healthcare law, I may not know necessarily what I'm looking for, but I can scroll in the article and say, oh my gosh, there's a new development in privacy, or oh my gosh, there's this FTC matter that is applicable to a deal that I'm working on. So I can get that all done in 5 or 6 minutes as opposed to 30 minutes of getting caught up on developments daily myself. Affordable Care Act changes, we don't know what's coming. So to keep abreast of those changes, I'll rely on sources like Bloomberg, BNA, in my mailbox every day tell me what's going on. In healthcare, we do need and want to access primary sources. When we get a digest, for example, from Bloomberg BNA about a recent development, it'll give us a good, nice, quick summary, and it may often also embed a hot link to the original source, a case or guidance from the federal government. So we'll click on that, print it out, and read it more closely when we have a little time. It's important, obviously, to read the original source because there may be nuances that a few paragraph summary may not get that would be applicable to a transaction we're working on or a regulatory matter.